Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a burndown chart in ClickUp. Burndown charts are a powerful way to visualize how much work has been completed versus how much is still left, making it easier to stay on track and meet deadlines. Whether you're managing a team, tracking your personal projects, or just want a clear visual of your progress over time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp account and go to Dashboards. Once you're there, look for the new Dashboard button and click on it. You'll then be prompted to select a dashboard type, choose a task management. Make sure to select the space you want to use. For example, I'll be using personal space. Once you've chosen your space, click on Create Dashboard to move forward. Next, click on Add Card on the right-hand side. In the search bar, type Burndown, and you'll see the card that tracks the amount of work left to do in a sprint. Click on the Burndown card, and then make sure your data selections are correct. Choose the space you want to track, set the time period, for example, this year, and adjust how you want your data displayed on the card. Follow the on-screen options to customize it, and then click Add Card. You'll now see the Burndown chart appear at the bottom of your dashboard. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your tasks have accurate due dates and statuses assigned. This ensures that your Burndown chart reflects the real progress and keeps your sprint tracking accurate. Doing this beforehand can save you time and avoid confusing data in your chart. Once you've completed these steps, review your Burndown chart and make sure it's showing the correct time frame and data. After that, you should be able to visually track the progress of your tasks and sprints without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to update your tasks regularly, so your Burndown chart always stays accurate and useful. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a Burndown chart in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be managing projects. Why not make someone's day easier?